In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page form on Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your website by offering a smoother user experience, multi-page forms are a fantastic way to collect information without overwhelming your visitors. They break down the process into manageable steps, making it easier for users to fill out the form. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, accepting event registrations, or building a questionnaire, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. First, head over to the Wix Studio official website, open your browser and navigate to the Wix Studio homepage. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that to begin accessing your account. On the login screen, you'll notice several options for signing in. For simplicity and quick access, select Continue with Google. This option is great if your account is already connected to your Google credentials. Follow the prompts to complete the login process, and you'll be redirected to the Wix Studio editor interface. Now that you're inside the editor, take a look at the interface. On the left-hand side, you'll see a plus icon. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your website. Click on that icon to open up a menu of options. Once the menu appears, scroll down until you find the section labeled Contact and Forms. This section is where all form-related tools and features are located. Click on it to expand the options. Here, you'll see an option that says Add Existing Form. Select this choice to view the forms you've previously created or have available to use. This will bring up a list of all existing forms within your Wix Studio account. Take a moment to browse through the list of forms. Find the one that you'd like to use as the foundation for your multi-page form. If you've created a form before, it should be visible here. Once you've identified the form you want to work with, look to the right-hand side of the form name. You'll see 3 vertical dots, commonly referred to as the More Options icon. Click on those dots to expand a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Duplicate. This will create an exact copy of the selected form, which you can now edit without altering the original. Duplicating is a great way to preserve your initial design while giving you the freedom to experiment with the multi-page format. Now it's time to edit and configure your duplicated form to transform it into a multi-page form. Open the duplicated form and you'll have full access to customize it. Break the form into sections or pages based on the information you need to collect. For example, you can dedicate one page to basic contact details, another to preferences, and so on. This structure keeps things organized and user-friendly. As you edit, make sure to clearly label each section and offer helpful instructions if needed. Wix Studio's tools allow you to add navigation buttons, like Next and Previous, to guide users through the form. Take advantage of these features to ensure a smooth experience for your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully created a multi-page form on Wix Studio. With these steps, you can streamline your form submissions and gather information in a way that's both efficient and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.